ngailut na salam na bon savin tu ni sesona hin bol diu hi hi le time speed and distance heading hi in hi chi time speed and distance correlation hi newa ku na hin he du kata sanin chu ipiham tia hi le distance equal to speed into time hi in na hi chi correlation hi ipt hungum do ham itia hi le suppose hi distance lampi khadi asawa saw khado min taute hi chi lampi hi asawdan hi I het nu mo vet taute acha tia hi le ipt I het thei diu ham method khat chu inji te ba abang banga itia wa alhung chan itia diu ham na acha tia hi le asawdan I het diu chu ewanga phat lut mai the na hi chi ti lawa jong chu a bol de dan method achum khat chu chu ipiham tia hi le moving object khat na it can be a man walking, it can be a car, a moving object khat hi chilam pi ai so diu chu at uniform speed na a speed ke banga hi chi moving object chun amun chan hlon na dinga hi time izat la ti het wa hi le hi chi lampi hi a saudan I het thei diu chu na hi chi ho concept a ku na hi distance equal to speed into time the correlation pai hong pot hi in na distance equal to speed into time hi chi correlation hong do dan chu it's very simple na le maths akizan na hi formula khan ne het na hi le formula dang dang jong hi chi formula ko na chu ne het be thei ti na chu to hi beta distance equal to speed into time na nei ta chu to hi speed equal to distance by time na nei ti chu na hi chu ko na hi abala time equal to distance by speed jong nei ti chu the formula ne het na ko na hi tin ne het be the na aban le math sita ta physics sita ta ep subject sita ta formula ne ne ya hi le formula pa chu mo by heart jing lawa formula jin ep sai ham ti pa chu het di good di na aju ti hi le concept clear ji chu to hi chi formula hin ep sai ham hawi ga ve hote distance khado me taute distance pa hi 10 kilometer het taute na Mr. A hin normal speed a chia hi le hi chi 10 kilometer hi time ti na lhong het taute na to hi a concept hi kan se ta cha A hin a speed hi increase han lang hi le 10 kilometer a china dinga hi a time pa hi hlom di tina cha na then the time chom di tina chom malhun di tina na abal A hin a speed hi decrease han lang hi le na 10 kilometer a china dinga time chu sau di tina cha na chini pi vet sa am time hi inversely proportional to speed atina cha chini sei chu time asawa hi le speed hlom ding time achoma hi le speed sang di tina cha khat asal le khat nim ding khat anim le khat sang di tina na chu inversely proportional ki tina cha chiveta time is inversely proportional to speed if the distance is constant na le distance hi akiba ba zinga hi le inversely proportional het ti chu hi china sai na chu t is inversely proportional to speed or speed is inversely proportional to time then hi reverse thei na aban le t to d hi suppose a hi 5 km per hour a chi jing het taute na le acha tia hi le distance hi saw han lang hi le a time chu ep ti dem distance sawa hi le phat asaw la di tina chana destination dinga chu distance achoma hi le a time jang chom di tina chana chu ep ti ham this time hi distance to hin directly proportional hai ti chu chini pi se na ham distance sawa hi le time jang sol lu ding distance choma hi le time chom lu di tina cha na hi chi formula ko na he theu chu time is directly proportional to distance and time is inversely proportional to speed tina cha na hi chi he theu hilai kuna hi speed to distance to directly proportional, speed to time to inversely proportional. Tiani hi ki reverse tina cha. Na hichi ne khat concept kain explain hi in. Ne head wale pha ne head lo wa hi hichi pa hi hello. Question dampi na khu the diu ta cha. Oh to hin question ani fi pan ta hite. Question number 1. A man starts from his house and traveling at 30 km per hour. He reaches office late by 10 minutes. And traveling at 24 km per hour, he reaches office late by 18 minutes. The distance from his house to his office. Distance from his house to his office is hold on. Let's write. A distance by he head low ziba to d head out. Ama hi suppose hi speed a chia hi le distance d travel na dinga chu time t alai out. Oh alun na dinga chu. Question in piece here. 30 km per hour a chia hi le ama hi 10 minutes late cha. Na 10 minutes late chu piece na a time normal time ala sanga chu 10 minutes tamzo chi thina cha na. Acha tia hi le a time chu t plus 10 minute la thina cha na. 10 minutes pa hi hours I holding a hile divided by 60. Na aban le second as PCM. If he travels 24 km per hour, 24 km per hour at chia hile ama hi 18 minutes late. T plus 18 minutes. Hour aga help by paying 60. Na le. To hi p nevam. Distance equal to speed into time in use na. Hichi correlation here. Acha tia hile time equal to distance by speed. Hilai ko na imu do theivam. Na hi chapa hi za diu cha. First case in formula is hote. A distance to is at data. Distance to here logic acha d. D here aban le a speed chala 30 km per hour achia hile a time to t plus 10 by 60. Nale it's the first case. A second case we ham distance to 24 km per hour achia hile a time to 18 by 60 tina chana case 2 to hi p hold do ha distance hold do chana chpa hi chi a chu hi che time pa hi isu mang go diu che ipd isu mang diu ha chite ni hi 1 to 2 chite ni hi subtract bol length t minus t hung hi chu na chpa la t hung mang ding aba la d bo variables ne wa hi le d chu i hold do thai diu tina chana chi a chu let's minus equation 2 minus 1 nanu buwa hi le equation 1 minus 2 zona bol theu chu oh ke bang thau thau di chu ewanga 1 minus 2 na bol wa hi le assign of patia navat kol ngai na let's do equation 2 minus 1 na e bol wa hi le d by 24 minus d by 30 equal to t plus 18 by 60 minus till ni om zia chu bracket akazi cho na confuse na lo diwa ite bol wa hile ta chi chite ni hi d ko mana kala to thei chna d ko mana kala to thei aban le 24 to 30 hi LCM ko bol ite ate tia hile achunga 30 hum ding minus 24 cho hi previous chapter ajung chu kani khut kani bol sa hi para chu agang jo ba ka hin bol hin na t plus 18 by 60 minus t minus plus minus na le 10 by 60 asile t to t hi ki cancel theta chna chutil helai kunai pi mu wa 6 d by 24 into 30 mu chna acha tia hele chito chalai kunai pi mu thewa 60 to 60 and denominator 60 hi acha ten hi LCM kala ding acha tia hile achung te ni chu 18 minus 10 na le 18 minus 10 chu 8 na to ai d hold on num ji wa chu d hi achang ai kui di acha tia hile chila hin cancel thojing tawte na kat thojing tawte 30 into 2 to 60 nale mane 6 4 are 24 nale abara 2 4 are 8 hiti di pa hi hold on num jiwa di achanga kui wa hi le chepa 4 pa hi langai sol diu acha tial 4 4 are 16 answer na itile distance from his house to his office is 16 kilometer ji answer nale hichi hi le asao zat hi na ewanga het nu formula ho he theiwa hi le formula khat omin na hichi pa chu na zui theo hichi shortcut formula chu piam tia hi le chita bang question ho hong ki pia hi le formula na za diu chu distance equal to xy by x minus y into difference in time hichi formula hi na zui theo na x chu piam te hi le speed 1 y chu piam te speed 2 o chitia hi le x chu 30 into 24 by 30 minus 24 into difference in time chu piam 18 minutes minus 10 minutes na le I bola hi le chiten hi 8 minutes na le 8 minutes ya tichu hour sai hela hi le 60 na hichi na bola hi le answer na mu ditina cha 30 into 24 by chiten hi 6 into 8 by 60 injo calculation take pang na hichi formula hi na by heart hi le hitia hi direct ana solve thei oh question number 2 Amita travels from her house at 1/2 kilometer per hour and reach her school 6 minutes late. The next day she traveled at 1/2 kilometer per hour and reached her school 10 minutes early. What is the distance between the house and the school? A question is wako na chu EPT construct diu ha. Let's say D is the distance between her house and her school. Na if she travel at s kilometer per hour, that distance D cover na dinga chu time T lai ta taute. Enjoy bol to bang na. To case pana chi piha. If she travels at 1/2 kilometer per hour, 1/2 GPT zi theiwa 2 are 6 6 plus 1 2 7/2 zi theo na. That means 7/2 kilometer per hour achia hi le ama hi 6 minutes late na 6 a late na hi le time atam zo la de tina na chi as plus hi bol dio na a second na chi piha if he travels for 1/2 kilometer per hour hi chi piti ki zi thea for 2 or 8 9/2 9/2 kilometer per hour achia hi le 10 minutes early ti chana acha tia hi le a normal time sanga chu malhun jab di tina chana. That means minute jana malhunam minute soma malhun chana chia chu hitia hai ji diu chu to hi case 1 na case 1 achi ep se ya formula ni ujla na distance equal to speed into time time equal to distance by speed formula is adu chu distance to here lo ji was d by 7/2 equals to time to d plus 6 see 6 he minutes here hour I shall normally divided by 60 bolding this become 1/10 na chita bang ho hi chi denominator pa chunga hong thei chana chi ya chu twice d by 7 equal to d plus 1/10 na le case 2 achu distance pa chu 9/2 kilometer per hour achia hi le ma chun t minus 10 la chana minute here hour a hela hele this become 1/6 na banle chi hi tai ji thei Okay, G1, G2. One the tua kuna ipi ibol theiwa. Distance hold do di wa chu ti pa hi isu mang theo chuna isu mang na diwa chite ni hi 2 to 1 hi minus si bolwa hi le distance pa hi achanga hum ding ban le khu thei diu tina chuna to in bolate twice d by 7 minus twice d by 9 equals to t plus 1 by 10 minus t minus 1 by 6 chi bolwa hi le tilai pena hi chite ni hi 2d ko mana kala do thi 1 by 7 minus 1 by 9 nale equals to t plus 1 by 10 minus t minus plus 1 by 6 chite ni ka theta na at t le 2d chite ni LCM chu 7 into 9 in laute multiply ngai lo na chi 7 anai phara chu achunga hi 9 minus 7 na choi na bol thi diu ka ta sanin ji achu kin chala kan bol dei tai o that means LCM chu 10 into 6 heading acha tia hile 10 plus 6 to chite ni LCM ko bola hile na acha tia hile chite ni 7 8 9 4d by 7 into 9 equals to 16 by 10 into 6 na chite 4 are 16 3 2 are 6 3 3 are 9 nale chila ko na hi 2 2 are 4 7 3 are 21 into 2 to 42 nale 42 by 10 to 4.2 kilometer the answer na aban le injo a shortcut formulas nale distance equal to xy by x minus y ban le difference in time chi formula mangcha zon khu ki theo cho to hi bola shortcut formula ho ka ha ngai sa lom ka tia hi le a concept pa na clear zo diu ka dei zo sia formula ho ka ha za lo hi na to formula is out chi ha distance equal to speed into time chi bon head ba hi le question tam pin solve theo hi ti pan sa na ding ma chu ka hen bol hi na concept na head over hi le hi chi pa style ai na bol wa hi zong le a chi ka a hi nain khul khul pha do le step zam de tamatam le hi cho chana ban zam wa hi zong le hi tia na khu do to hum ki bang thim tho tho di hi ja chana nan khul khul pha do le acham lowa na ho ko na shortcut ma thot chung po do jing di hi na hi ti zo a shortcut ahung po do pa zo chu ka dei zo si basic clear na dinga hi tia hi asao zo ba khain khu de ho question number 3 walking at 60% of his usual speed a man reached his destination 1 hour 40 minutes late his usual time in hour to reach the destination is na a question is simwa kona chu ept construct thaiba solve the answer let's say distance travel di chu d head taute na case wana chu speed s a chia hile distance d cover na dinga chu time t la chu na time t la ya hi wanga 60% of s a chia hile ama chu 1 hour 40 minutes late na le a late chu ept na ha a time pa chu sauza bala de chana chi a chu classical dio 1 hour 40 minutes to 1 hour 60 minutes here 60 plus 40 to 100 minutes na le 3 minute here hour I holding a hele divided by 60 bolde that means 10 by 6 bolde khunum na dingena lo phala 10 by 6 okay to hi case wana ji ha case wana chu distance equal to speed into time ne na case 2 atla distance equal to speed to 6s by 10 na le 10 into a time chila t plus 10 by 6 na to hi beta a distance by ki bang chana le first case second case hi achu tia hile left hand side ke ba hile right hand side tin zong ke bang di tina chuna chalai kuna chu s into t equals to 6s by 10 into t plus 10 by 6 ichi bola hile s to s ke bang kat thaina le t equal to bracket hona le 6t by 10 plus 6 to 6 cancel in 1 na by t equals to 10 6t plus 10 na le chiti ni LCM ko bol to hi 10t equals to 6t plus 10 na le chi ha ka sola hi le 4t equals to 10 therefore t equals to 10 by 4 that means 5 by 2 hi chi bola le 2 or 4 1 by 2 distance to 2 1 by 2 tina na chi answer to hi shortcut formula jong ma hi na shortcut formula chu ipm tia hi le chepa hi ei la concept clear na dinga ka hin ji hin na example le shortcut formulas na bahat zo wa hi le shortcut formulas chu s1 by s2 equals to t2 by t1 na chepa hi na za thayo s1 chi pi ha s1 chu s by s2 chu 60 chepa hi na that means 6 by 10 of s na equals to t2 chu chepa hi na le t plus 10 by 6 by t na at tia hi le ten ni s to s chi cancel the na le t 10 by chala hong the 10 by 6 equals to t plus 10 by 6 divided by t to ai chi na le that 10t equals to 6t plus 6 into 10 by 6 to 10 na at tia hi le chepai lang ka solve na hi le 4t equals to 10 that means t equals to 10 by 4 as that 2 5 to 1 by 2 mama hetia hi shortcut formula na za na solve thai ba question number 4 a man walks at a speed of 8 km per hour after every kilometer he takes rest for 4 minutes how much time will he take to cover a distance of 6 km na mi khan hi 6 kilometer distance chi cha na ei wanga hi every kilometer 1 2 3 4 5 6 1 2 3 4 5 6 na le kilometer khat a chi si a hi ki chol chu suppose a hi ama hi ki chol lo hi le 6 kilometer chu minute is ala thong ni ham na ti hold out te time is equal to distance by speed ach tia hi le distance to 6 km chalo na bala ma hi 8 km per hour achi di chu hi chi a unit hi pi di ha hour hi di chana le to hi hour pa minute na hi khiang nom wa hi le 60 I multiply do na acha tia hi le 2 4 are 8 2 3 are 6 na le 4 1 is 4 2 4 5 are 20 acha tia la chi 45 minutes tina cha mi pa hin 6 km chu 8 km per hour achia ki chol lo bi achia hile 45 minutes a zot de chu hi wanga mi pa hi kilometer khat si a 4 minutes ki chol chu aja tia hile vel is ki chol man di ha 6 km ka chu ta che first kilometer khat be ki chol ta na abana ni ve thum ve li ve nga ve 6 km a hi ki chol ta lo de ta chu mai hlung ta chu na athun phara je ki chola ki sim ta lo chu aja tia hile vel nga ki chol man chu na khatwei ki chola chu minute li hi le a ki cholna timing chu isa di ha that means 5 into 4 acha tiala ki cholna timing chu 20 minutes na a question in p whole in time how much time will it takes to cover a distance of 6 kilometer if he take rest after every kilometer this na acha tia hile chiten ni ya duty ni ha that means total time equal to 45 plus 22 65 minutes. Nah, answer C. Question number 5. Traveling at 60 km per hour, a person reaches his destination in a certain time. he covers 60% of his journey in 2/5 of the time. And what speed should he travel to cover the remaining journey so that he reaches the destination right on time? A question in PCM. Mi khat hi 60 km/h achia hi le distance. Let's say d2 time t in alhungi ti chu. Na hilai kuna ip mu theiwa distance equal to speed into time mu theu chana chapai. Question in bana chu PCM. He covers 60% of his journey. Na let's say hilai chan hi 60% of his journey het taute. Na chitile hilai kuna hilai chan chu 60/100 of dt na chana. Achitile chipa hi 3/5 of dt na cha. Na chichu 2/5 of the time in alhungi ti chu. Achitia hilai kuna hilai chan chu a timing ala za chu 2/5 of t. Na abana chu a question in PCM. At what speed should he travel to cover the remaining journey? Na hilai kuna hilai chan hi ipi speed a chi di hamati chu. So that a usual time a galong thei di hamati chu na. Achitia hilai kuna hilai chan hi a speed ipi ham tia question do asi a chu. Hilai kuna hilai chan hi a distance he na a timing to he na hile. Distance equal to speed into time formula evolve hile. Speed pa he. Be cha hena ki hold do thei diu chana. Chia chu hilai ka distance to hilai ka time hi apoya poi mo cha. Chia in ki hold do thu diu na. Hilai ka hi ipiti hold do diu ham. Whole distance as d hi ta chu. Acha tile hilai kuna hilai chan chu 3/5 d hi hile. Hilai kuna hilai ka chu d minus 3/5 dt na chana distance chu. Abala a time chula whole distance as a time t ala hile and 60% of d chu 2/5 t ala hile. Remaining time chu t minus 2/5 t hi na chana. Acha tia hile distance, time and speed na ito chu. Tun formula ga samote. D minus 3/5 of d equals to speed chipai hold audio d minus 2/5 d. No, chipai solve vale 5d minus 3d hung hidi ya. Twice d by 5 equals to s chihi 5d minus 2d to 3d by 5 hung hidi na. Abanle 5 to 5 hung ji cancel thai ding. 2d equal to 3st. D chula 60t na na. Asitila 60t into 2 to 120t equals to 3st. T to t ki ba za cancel thai. Asitila s equal to 3 pi langai sola hile divide na hong hiding asitila 40 kilometer per hour. Asitila remaining distance to 40 kilometer per hour achia hile. Usual time ma ma galong thei ti na cha. Na answer. Next questions. Question number 6. A person has to cover a distance of 160 km in 15 hours. If he covers 4/5 of the distance in 2/3 of the time, then what should be his speed to cover the remaining distance in the remaining time? Question number 5 to akibang timin na. Di hela chu 160 hong kipita. Di hela chu 15 hours hong kipi na. Question number 5 ihut tabang chun ga hut leo chan answer na mujing diu na. Chihi no hon na bol de vetante. Next question. Question number 7. A takes 2 hours more than B to cover a distance of 40 km. If A double his speed, he takes 1/2 hours more than B to cover 80 km. To cover a distance of 90 km, how much time will B take traveling at the same speed? Question in PCM. Kilometer 40 traveling na dinga hi time taken by A minus time taken by B to 2 hours heti chanale. Hilai kuna AP ki bol thai ba. Yes kona chu aban le time formula ni chana time equal to distance by speed. So the distance to ta distance to 40 by speed to like hello na, that's a. A means time taken by a minus time taken by b equals to 2 hours na le. If a double his speed, he takes 1 by 2 hours more than b to cover 80 kilometer. तो ही distance pa hi 80 kilometer ta cha. Acha tia hi le ta minus tb chu time taken by a minus time taken by b chu 2 1 is to 3 by 2 tina cha na 3 by 2 hours la chu. To tile chima ma is viva hi le. What to say? A distance to p ta distance to 80 ta na le 80 by speed of a chala double sa tis na le cha chu twice a is equal minus 80 by b equals to 3 by 2. So if you hold on over, how much time will b take sa tis na le cha chu b speed hi na iwa hi le na I hold over hi le a distance cover di ta chana atu tia hi le how much time pa I hold on thedi tina chana le chia cha b speed I hold on good du chu b pa I hold on num ziwa chu a pa hi eliminate ball good du chu if it eliminate ball du ha if I multiply equation 1 by 2 by 2 na 2 by 2 in multiply length chivita 40 by a hi 80 by twice a hong hi chana chi 80 by achung chi 80 by twice a hong hi hi le anu ya pa hi 80 by twice a ma chana acha tia le subtraction ka bola hi le a pa hi ki eliminate thei chana chi achu 2 by 2 ka bola acha tia hi le 2 into 40 chu 80 hong su ta cha aban le 2 into a chu twice a na le abana hi 2 into 40 chu 80 hong su kid de 2 into b chu 2b hong su de aban le try 2 by 2 here le 2 le 2 chikara hi le 2 ma sa na le si hong su de ta cha to hi chite ni subtraction bol leng hi pa hi minus hong su de ta cha ban lai pa hi plus hong su ding lai minus hong su de na chite le 80 by twice a minus 80 by twice a chu 0 na le plus chibita positive pa zi masang yo 80 by b minus 80 by twice b equals to 2 minus 3 by 2 na chitian ya hi p common na 80 by b common chana le acha tia ile 80 by b kala dole 1 minus 1 by 2 na equals to chitian chika ahila chihi we can write 1 by 2 na le chitian ile 80 by b chu 2 1 is 2 2 minus 1 chu 1 by 2 equals to 1 by 2 wana chika ahila therefore b equals to 80 kilometer per hour if ya time hold in chana time equal to distance by speed aban le distance to is at 90 by speed chala 80 chi bola hele 1 by 8 answer na 1 by 8 option 2 question number 8 a train traveling at 36 km per hour cross a pole in 25 seconds how much time will it take to cross a bridge 350 meter long chana inja chu ipi bolwa distance khadi hold on diwa chu uniform motion chi te khat reference point khat hi chi distance is holova chu izat speed out chi ham ti head over and then helai hun dinga chu time izat ala ham ti head wa hile a distance hold do theu chana to apa hi train to hong ki related pha hin train zo hi chi a distance pa zo hi moving hi chu abala reference point pa hi umdan de na umdan de suppose achu hilai reference point pa ka kui to hi chlai ku na hi ka kai chu pa hi at speed ka kai hi le hilai chan ka kai lhung na dinga chu time ka he na hi le distance ma ka hold do thedi tin hi lo ha cheta banga chu reference point khat hi chu chra hi hilai bai pole chu na le pole khat chu pole khat in tin hilai hi train khatum chu hi chi train pa hin speed izaram khana ku na chu hilanga chia hi le amang chan a hlun na dinga chu na chipa hi hilai chan ahung hlun na dinga chu time izat alam ti head wa hi le length of the train, that means distance ki hold o thei tina chu na chu ile when the reference point is a point then chu a length lo ho na a hiya hi le chu hi jing ta chu abana hi pole hi lo bridge ta bang hi le let's say a bridge pa hi x meter head ta te jidele train chun hitia achia a distance total distance I hold on diwa chu train pa chi ta chu at the speed of this one, and then hilaitan an phana dinga hi amang pa hin hilaitan an phana dinga hi time t alai ta te achitila distance is at data a distance chu a train length pa plus a platform pa length hi yet ngai chana le achila distance equal to a train to platform pa chitila chi distance pa hong hi ta cha nale, and then speed chu pa hi ding a time chu chipa hong hi de na chu thamkhat background na hi in thamkhat concept clear na dinga chu khain sei me me hi na ne he chau jong hi mai the hi jong le kan ga sei me me na khu tau te train chu 36 km/h achia hi le pole khat chu 25 second in across it chu chu ni pi sa helai ko na chu length of train hold o theu chana chu phiam ti le speed into time speed chu 36 km/h hi le chi km/h chu meter per second a helnu ma hi le 5/89 multiply do na ipg hem ti le ta chi 1 km/h chu 1 km chu 1000 meter na le by hour chu 60 into 60 na yadle meter per second hong su de chi bola hele so 2 5 are 10 2 3 are 6 atile 5/18 meter per second chipa hi mel chi to calculation ading a poi hong poi mo chi ja chu km/h chu meter per second ishel di wa hele 5/18 I multiply ji di aban le meter per second chu kilometer a shell di wa le 18/5 I multiply ji di na jitele km/h hong su ji di meter per second into 25 second nale calculation adinga hi a unit no ki ba te ngai cho helai ku nei mu theu chu ste ni hi 9 to 18 9 4 36 nale stile chi hi 2 I bol ki na hi le 5 to 10 250 meter length of train to 250 tina hi chana abana chu question in pc how much time will it takes to cross a bridge of a 350 meter ti chana le pa hi train chun 250 meter length of train chun bridge chu 350 meter chu time is na across the hamti chana acha tiele distance total distance chu hilai kuna hilai chan tina chana jitile 600 na time hold ji ba chu distance chu 600 ta a speed chale chi nale 36 km/h hi le 36 into 5/18 bola hele chi 2 that means 60 seconds ala de tina cha answer question number 9 Vinay and Mahesh are 250 meters apart from each other. They are moving towards each other with a speed of 36 km/h and 54 km/h respectively. In how much time will they meet each other? Question in PCM. Vinay to Mahesh 250 meters apart in Oman teacher. Vinay hi langkhan ko na 36 km/h ahunga abanle Mahesi langkhat langa kuna 54 km/h ahunga hile phar izat zole kimu tuhan dhamati chana to hai beta speed ni ne ucha speed ni nei phat ol hin question a hi relative speed hi hol ngai ucha relative speed hi either a speed tin na plus diham ai lo la minus diham khat ucha easy na aban le ipi chu plus a ipi chu minus diham na itabang phat hi le plus diham itabang phat hi le minus diham ti chu na confuse wa hi le kin ka het danin explain hin bowling katin na mi ni me de taute mi ni hi opposite direction a hi ta ka sola hi le distance di cover han dinga chu phat izanam khala de chuna aballe mi ni hi ka sol kho ma hi le hi chi same distance a cover han dinga chu phat izanam khala de chuna hoi chu zo chon phat lan tem chi zon phat la de chuna chi te ni hi gang zap de chu chi a gang zap pa chu ka plus ji na s1 plus s2 ngan zap pa chu s1 minus s2 na relative speed in khut kha lo na hong sot phat le ki confuse ji be ta chi phat le hi chi pa hi kamial chi ji a and then relative speed chu ka bol ji chu asi tia hi le chi question a hi alang langa hong tu hon chuna alang langa hong tu hon na le speed chu relative speed equal to chiten ni plus duty na cha na a plus wa hi le 90 de 3 kilometer per hour a hi a meter per second a hial nu wa hi le 25 meter per second na question in pcm time hold in na time equal to distance by speed to 25 that means 10 seconds last duty na answer question number 10 a train of length 287 meter running at 80 km per hour cross another train moving in the opposite directions at 37 km per hour in 18 seconds. What is the length of the train? A question in PCM. Train khatum cha. The train hi 287 meter cha. Na ama hi tilanga hi 80 km per hour ahung cha na. Ama hin train dang khat hi opposite direction a 37 km per hour a hung khat hi na alen ki hello 18 seconds wa hi first minute ta kisa 200 na le 18 seconds wa hi ki cross 200 na hichi kisa 200 18 seconds wa hi ki cross 200 na ata tia hi le what is the length of the train teacher hichi l pa hi ipiham ati chana le taivita tutile total distance is at data chilai kuna hi helai chan tina chana that means total distance to 287 plus l na asa tile time to 18 second na asa tile speed chale speed to 37 to 80 ne ucho ama ni plus diham minus diham opposite direction ahung chula na ta hai asa tia hi le speed te ni hi relative speed to s1 plus s2 bol diu chana asa tia le chite ni plus wa hi le 80 117 into kilometer per hour here 10 second jong meter ahung ai le meter per second a hial di wa le 5 by 18 bol diu na le 5 da distance equals to speed into time in here na ado tia le distance to 287 plus l equals to speed to 117 into 5 by 18 into a time chula 18 second na le ado tile 18 to 18 ji cancel theta na aban le l equals to chiteni za ha 5 735 5 1 is 5 8 5 1 is 5 na le aban chupa hi langkhala ka sola hi le minus 287 that's the answer to 298 na len pa hi 298 hi ti oh so to bang question na hong khala chu nanui theu hi tai na question number 11 A train traveling at a speed of x km/h cross a 200-meter long platform in 30 seconds and overtake a man walking in the same direction at a speed of 6 km/h in 20 seconds. What is the value of x? A question in PCM. Train khat amchu. Train hin 200-meter long platform hi x km/h achia a hi le 30 seconds in across yeti chuna. To hi hilai kunai pi mu theiwa total distance to train to platform hi plus diu chun le. Train length hi het lo ji wa let's take L. Chutile distance equal to L plus 200 meter nei to chuna. Speed chula. Speed to x na le. X km/h here meter per second I shall no ma hile 5/18 na le. Time equal to 30 second. Ichi akuna hi case wana ti pi nei ba. Distance L plus 200 equals to speed in the time 5x/18 into 30. Na sechikat thei 3 6 are 18 10 to 3 are 6 to 5 are 10. Atu tia hile elbow hi atumin kui gulew han chutile 25 x/3 minus 200 tinasna. Let's take this as case 1. Second case achula. Second case achu ipiham tia hile train traveling at speed of x ma chun mi khat hi walking in the same direction na. Walking in the same direction at a speed of 6 km/h to 20 seconds in a pele ti chuna across it chu. Acha tia hile a distance la chi a mi pa wide hi negligible hi ja chu distance pa chu elbow hi chu na. And then a speed chula ani inhana same direction a chi chuna. Acha tia hile same direction a chi chu minus bol chu na le. That means x minus 6 km/h here meter per second I shall no mile 5/18 na. Time to 20 second. Hilai kunai pi I bol thai ki dwa L equals to x minus 6 5/18 into 20 imu theu chana. Sipai pi hung silita 29 and 18 10. That means 50/9 tina chana. See equation 2. Bata 1 to 2 hi left hand side ake ba ji hi right hand side tini ki bang tina chana. Ata tia hile we can write 2x/3 minus 200 equals to x minus 6 50/9. CPT is theiwa 25x/3 minus 200 to 50x/9 minus chi bolwa hile 50 into x/9. See 3 2 are 6 3 3 are 9 nale. Acha tia hile 100/3 na. Tu hin x to x ki khomutin khaten ki khom le han 25x/3 minus 50x/9 equals to chapa hi minus hilanga chia hile 200 minus 100/3 na. Tutile teni hi 9 tutile 3 are 9 75 minus 50 to 25 25x equals to chi 3 2 are 6 600 minus 100 to 500/3 na. Tile 3 3 are 9. That means 25 20 x equal to 60 meter x to meter per second na le. Speed here. Okay. Answer. Question number 12. A and B started their journey from x to y and y to x respectively. After crossing each other, A and B completed the remaining part of their journey in 6 1/8 hour and 8 hour respectively. If the speed of B is 28 km per hour, then the speed of A is a question in PCM. Journey khatam chu. That is x and y. Nale x to y, y to x dito te. Okay. A hi x aku na ke pada, B hi y aku na hong ke pada hi le at some time zo chu mani ki su tu han chu. Aki su tu zo hana aku na hi A hin remaining parts. That means A hi lang aku na ke pan hiya remaining part. That means from here to here. Na chi hi 6 1 by 8 hours in zot edit chu. 6 1 by 8 chu 49 by 8 hours la chu. A hin na. Ban le B hin hilai ka hi izat hours la 8 hours la chu na. Acha tile hilai ku na hilai distance hi with respect to A GPT hold o theivam. A hin hilai ku na hilai chen hi 49 by 8 hours la chu na. Acha tile chi speed to multiply leng chi distance hi mu di chu na. Distance equal to speed into time. A speed into A time. Acha tia hele hi chi hi distance ki mudi tina chu na. Okay. B azong chu ti tabang ma na. B into 8 ibola hele. That means speed into time. Acha tila hilai distance hi mudi tina chu na. Evang avata. A hin hilai kuna hilai chana zot na dinga hi time ti la chu na. Acha tia hele hilai kuna hilai chan hi a distance jong chu with respect to A azong hold dot theivam. That means A speed into time. Nale. Acha tia hele hilai distance ma mai hold dot theu chu na. Hilai kuna hilai chan hi B in time ti la ki chu nale. Chia chu hilai chan chin dinga A hin A into T distance chu chitile B dinga chala hi BT. Na. Let's see. Same distance. We can find it out by A into T and B into 8. Nale. Chitile hilai kuna hi P zi theva. Hilai distance and bohi vete duty or chalai ka hai. Chitile A into T same distance. B into 8 same distance. T ile A into T is equals to B into 8 is it theva. Na. Let's say this is case 1. But second case has chalai ka hai vete. BT distance A into 49 by 8 same distance. Acha tia ile B into T equals to A into 49 by 8. Na chite ni hi divide le hat. Dito ti hong dikat thai ta chana. Acha tia ile veta chi A by B equals to B into 8 by A into 49 by 8 home chana le. Acha tia ile veta chi A square by B square equals to 8 by 49 by 8 na le. Chi square pi lang khat lang a sol leng. A by B equals to root over 8 by 49 by 8 mu chana. Chi biham shortcut formula sa hong ping do ta chu da chi hitlaya kuna hi. Chi tu biham tile chepa hi speed of A by speed of B chana le. Speed of A by speed of B equals to root over 8 hi biham time taken by B tina chana le. Time taken by B na le. Time taken by B divided by time taken by A. Na, it's a formula hing ping dot. Oh, next thing le question teta bang hena move hi le. Cho hi ji ngai talo. Direct a chi na ji theo cho. Na by heart wala. Na by heart lo wala cho hi na ji wa cho aku na hi chi hi na derive theo na. Chi zo pa na solve theo cho. Chitile A chu pitita. A chu A here B chula speed of B chu 28 ni utna le. Just 28 is it here equals to root over 8 by 49 by 8 chu chpa hi achunga hong thei chana 8 into 8 by 49 chu 7 square na le. Acha tiele A by 28 equals to 8 by 7. 7 4 28. Therefore speed of A chu 32 kilometer per hour. Nah, answer. Question number 13. Renu was sitting inside train A, which was traveling at 50 km per hour. Another train B, whose length was 3 times the length of A, crossed her in the opposite directions in 15 seconds. If the speed of train B was 58 km per hour, then the length of A is question PCM. Renu hi train A atau. Let's say hirahin Renu atau ite taute. Nah, hiti train hi 50 km per hour achi. And there was train B khat unchu. Nah, whose length is 3 times the length of A. Let's say iti length hi L head taute. Iti dirachi hi 3LT na chuna. Cross her in the opposite direction teacher. Cross her ati chuna. Cross the train. Iti a train whole length pa hi across a ti lo chu. Just only her na. Iti a reference point hi whole train hi lo di. Only her hi di chuna le. Iti chu distance to 3L bo hi di chuna. 3L plus Renu hi di ya. Renu pa hi kineglet hi chu. Na. Ati tila speed chula. Speed chu Renu zong hi train ato ji chu train speed achi di tina chuna. Iti chu speed chu opposite direction ahong chuna ta hai. Ati tia le relative speed chu gob di tina hi lo ha. That means 50 plus 58 chu 108 kilometer per hour na le. Kilometer per hour chu meterin whole and ti chu into 5 by 18 bol it in ha. And then time chu 15 seconds na le. 15 seconds. Atu tia hile distance equal to speed into time na. Distance to 3L equals to 108 into 5 by 18 into 15. Chi bol wale. L hi mu diu chu na. Hichi hi EPT bol diu ta. 3 5 or 15 nale aban le 9 2 or 18 9 1 is 9 9 2 or 18 nale 2 6 or 12 jati le 6 5 or 30 35 or 150 jati le L hi 150 hi ti Renu tom na L chu 150 hi ti na answer option 4 oh. Question number 14. Places A and B are 396 km apart. Question PCM. Places A and B are 396 km. Train X leave from A. So A ko na train X is G and Y leave from B for A at the same time on the same day on parallel track. Both trains meet after 5.5 hours. Suppose 5 1 by 2 hours awahi amani hi like is 200. Now let's say the speed of y is 10 km per hour more than that of x. Let's say x speed hi s here ta still y speed hi 10 plus s tin hello ha na. Then what is the speed of y? The speed hi hold in it 10 plus s hi hold in it ajatile hilai kuna ipi mu theiwa. Okay, hilai kuna mu theu chu distance equals to speed into time na. Distance is distance to 396 speed chula opposite direction ahong anji ahi opposite direction ahong ahi le plus is na le. That means 10 plus s tin hello ha. So le 10 plus 2s tin achna 10 plus 2s time chula 5 1 by 2 5 2 or 10 11 by 2 tin na. So le hilai kuna ip mu theiwa. Okay, 11 to 11 33 11 6 are 66 na le. So le 10 plus 2s equals to 6 2 are 12, 3 2 are 6, 72. Jadi 2s equals to cepat hilangkan soal ada minus meeting 62. S equals to divided by 2 ke bawah hele 2 3 are 6 1 31. S to 31 na. Question P do speed of y ti na. Setelah y to 10 plus s ti na hila setelah 41 ti na. Answer. Question number 15. A and B start moving toward each other from place x and y respectively at the same time on the same day. The speed of A is 20% more than that of B. After meeting on the way, A and B takes P hours and 7.1/5 hours. Question ni bol saum ta chana le. By question number 12 in take head hilawa hile. Kibang chat chana. Respectively to reach y and x respectively. What is the value of P? Question number 12. Evolve to formula khati ki derive chana. Sequence pham tia hile. Speed of A by speed of B equals to root over time taken by B by time taken by A chana le. Acha tia hile. Question aku na P move. A is speed of A is 20% more. 20% more ki tia hile 120 by 100 of B ti na hila ha. Na. Acha tia hile A by B to A by B equals to 6/5 ti na chana. Acha tile speed of A by speed of B to 6/5 ti na chana. Try ko na to 6/5 equals to root over time taken by B to 7.1/5 na. Acha tile chipa hi 36/5 ti na divided by time taken by A to B na le. Hichi piti ka ji the hita dara ka ji the chana le. Acha tia hile pai vata chi 6 is 36 chi 6 square hicha chipa hi 5p square ake bol thelo jana chi square pattern cancel thelo so chi achu p bol diu ha. It's better to transfer this root over to other side na le. Root over to lamkhan ai sola hile square ra hum pang di jana square up na 6 are 36/25 equals to 36/5p hil ha. Jadi 36 cancel la hile p equals to 5 na. Hours is kilometer per hour hinte na. Jadi let's buy the awesome to answer. Question number 16. Two trains whose length are 450 meters and 300 meters are moving towards each other at a speed of 162 km per hour and 108 km per hour respectively. If distance between train is 300 meter, then in how much time these trains will cross each other? Train khat let's say train A na. Train A hi 450 meter hit taute na, and then mahi hitia chintin 162 km per hour achi chu. Train B jong ma hitia hung 300 meter na 108 km per hour ahung chu. Achi ka hona hi distance hi 300 meter hiti chu na. Achi tile total distance chu isa hita hilai kuna hi hilai chan tin hi dis na. Injol nga train ho chu achi cross to hon aku na ki pan pe chu na. Achi tia hile a distance chu just the length of the train teni I plus a hile ki chai jing chu to hi achi ka hona gap je achu a gap pa jong hi a leng apan ngai chu na. Achi tia hile I cheng si go ba hile isa hi ha a 600 1050 tin hela distance to 1050 ta so the speed la relative speed to opposite ahong hon chana ji a I got due tin hela to chi I got va hile isa ni move 9 10 0 6 7 2 270 km per hour chana le. Abana len hi meter ki pg achu will calculate in meter na 5/18 to multiply na. aja tile chihi 9 to 18 9 3 are 27 15 na aja tile 15 5 are 75 meter per second na relative speed chu ta che pi hold in tiam time hold in ti chana time equal to distance by speed here distance to 1050 by 75 to ichi bola hile 5 1 is 5 5 5 are 25 5 2 are 10 1 0 3 5 4 are 20 3 1 is 3 3 4 are 12 na tele 14 second load ditina cha option 1 se dan hai. Question number 17. A hero goes after a villain who is 200 meters before him. Where will the hero catch the villain when they run at a rate of 11 km per hour and 10 km per hour respectively? Question aku na chu ipi imu theiwa hero pa khat hi hilai chu villain khat jong na hero pa to villain pa chika hi 200 meter chu na villain pa hero pa muwa hi villain pa jam ta chu na hitai jam abal hero pa jang hen villain pa dal pe pe cha adal pe pe at some point a hin agadal phai ti chuna. Let's take this point hin agadal phai ta taute na acha tia hi le villain pa jam na timing sung to hero pan adal na timing sung ki bang di tina chana villain pa hilai ku na hilai chana jam na dinga timing to hin hero pan hilai ku na hilai chana agadal na sung hi timing ki bang chana. Let's say hilai ku na hilai chan hi exit taute na chi hi 200 meter kilometer ngan hi ja chu kilometer ta chana 0.2 kilometer acha tile time taken by hero equals to distance to hilai ku na hilai chan chana acha tia hile 0.2 plus x by ama chu 11 kilometer al thaina le 11 kilometer per hour na acha tia hile time taken by villains equals to x by 10 kilometer na x by my 10 kilometer al acha tia hile a time ki bang chana chi ja left hand side ki by le right hand side ki bang di tina chana le x by 10 equals to 0.2 plus x by 11 so 11x equals to 2 plus 10x therefore x equals to 2 na a question in PCM where will the hero catch the villain chana le where hero pa hin villain pa chu hila he gama chana acha tia hile a distance to this plus this 0.2 plus 2 to 2.2 kilometer na option B tina. Question number 18. A train traveling at 25 km per hour leaves Delhi at 9 a.m. Another train traveling at 35 km per hour at 2 p.m. in the same directions. How many kilometers from Delhi will they meet together? A question aku na GPT construct diu ha. This is Delhi. Delhi aku na hi train 1 hi pungku akipat do cha. At 25 km per hour akipat do cha na. Aban le train 2 hi 2 p.m. ahe akipat do cha. At 35 km per hour na. Pungnia hi 2 p.m. ahi train T2 hi Delhi am na lai chana. Train T1 ni hoilam deta some distance from Delhi am de chana. Asi chu ama hi pungku ani kipat do ta cha. Nale a distance pa hi kilometer is ani chi do di hitam TPT hol do diu ham. Asi tia hile pungku akipat do ta pungku akona pungni chu 5 hours tina chana. Asi tile pungnia hi train T1 pa hi 25 km per hour ani chi ding 5 hours sung ani chi man ta chana aju tile a distance ko ani cover man di chu 25 into 5 hilo di ha 125 km nale 125 km from Delhi ai ani ta cha train T1 hi na train T2 hi 35 km per hour achi ya train T1 hi 25 km per hour achi ya hile train T2 hi half do chana chia chu at some point a hi the kisa tu hon di tina cha na chu hoi lai mo na kisa tu hon thema ti cha. That means his structure hi question number 17 to ke bang chana achu tia hi le chizong hi question number 17 na solve dan wa na solve thei diu cha na to hi kin method dang khat in hin solve going ka tin na question number 17 method chu head nup na to question number 18 method tha pa hi le ga ngai tu ding tham khat a hi wanga chu ki gang na I head do a hi le train t2 2 pm a chu train t1 na le ama ni gap chu 25 kilometers na chiteni ahong ki su tu han na dinga hi train t2 hin extra 125 kilometer a travel ngai chana extra 125 kilometer ahong travel zo phat le t1 to t2 hi kisa tu han ni tina ta khana khom han ni tina chana a hi wanga chu speed chu 35 kilometer 125 by 35 kilometer is it thelo chana ipzm tile train 2 pa achi to dungzuya hi train 1 pa jong hi chi cho nale 125 kilometer hi t2 in a cover na dinga speed chu relative speed hi tina chana chatia hi le 125 divided by relative speed equals to time chi time hi ha amani akisu tu khoman na ding na akisu tu khoman na dinga timing alut zat di chu chi pa ti hi cho okay hi tia chu solve diwa le time equals to 125 by relative speed la achi khoman je chu minus bol du na le tele 10 that means 125 by 10 chu iga kada hi le 5 2 or 10 5 or 25 25 by 2 na le to hai vata at how many kilometer from Delhi will they meet together at Ichna achu tia hi le pungnia hi Delhi am na lai cha t2 pa hi how many kilometer from Delhi at is achu distance equals to t2 pa speed into time na le t2 pa speed chu 35 into 25 by 2 tina hi lo ha tila chu pa hi then he multiply hi le izat imu di hita 875 na le by 2 to 4 3 7 1 by 2 na le answer chupa hai option A. Okay, question number 19. Two guns were fired from the same place at an interval of 28 minutes, but a man sitting in the train approaching the place heard the second firing 26 minutes after the first. If the speed of sound is 343 meter per second, find the speed of the train. Na question in PCM. Mun khana ku na hi method chikap cha. Achika ma hi le train a to khat hen. Na train a to mi khan hen aza cha. Na le he thim thene divin method hi pung baro na chikap be taute. Pung baro achika ma hi le train a to pa hi mun gam le thima om je achu aman aza na dinga timing hi khat delay this na let's say it is 10 minutes aji chu sound jong hin phat ala de na helai chen travel na dinga chu okay tile pung baro mai thati kap chu train a to pa hin 12 minute so min azai de taute abana ma hi hitia mai thal gin dalam pai hong phai chu ahunga hi le after 26 minute ahung zawa hi ama hin methal gin khan aza kit chana acha tia hi le ama hin 26 minutes zawa za chana acha tile helai thona hi aza chu pungja hi ta 12 10 plus 26 chu 12 36 aza chu na a hi wanga chu hichi methal te ni interval chu 28 minutes acha tia hi le 12 28 acha kap kit chu a second firing chana suppose hi ama hi hung phailo hi han lang hi tia chi phailo hi han lang amuna hin helai muna hin anum dan hile amai thal gin chu ama hin pungzat aza de ha aza de chu 12:28 na le 12 akuna minute somla chana helai kuna helai chen chini dinga chu tile helai kuna helai chen chini dinga ang chu minute somla ki de chana 12:30 da he za de chu helai hen anum han na hele ebang ama hen to 12:36 al aza chana acha tia hi le chu chu ni pi vet sa helai kuna helai distance hi sound hin minute ni lai tin hai chana like ai 2 minutes na sound hin hichi akuna hi chila hi distance hi hold thei dio nale distance hold wa hi le time taken by train nei to so chile train speed hi hold theu chana chila hi distance pa hi x tiute x travel na dinga chu hichi x pa hi piti hold theiwa speed of sound into time nale speed of sound chu 343 into 2 minute yes second I healthy wale 60 nale x chu train chun chilai distance go over dinga chu if the train goes at speed s and then a time to 26 minutes into 60 distance ke ba aja chu chitiani jong ki bang di tina chana ati tiale s equals to 343 into 2 into 60 by 26 into 60 60 to 60 cancel ati tiale 13 na chi 343 by 13 chu 13 to ngi dina ati tia ile 13 to are 26 sitting 26 minus 34 to 8 83 na 83 to 6 are 78 on here hile 78 minus 83 to 5 5 by 13 nale speed of train to his at he did just the option to B answer oh. Question number 20. A man start from his house at certain time with a certain speed to pick up his wife from his office at 5 p.m. One day, his wife left the office at 3 p.m. and start walking home with a speed of 40 km per hour and meet the man in the way who left his home at his usual time. They reach home 40 minutes earlier than the usual time. Find the speed of the man. A problem to EPT construct theiwa. Mi khat hin zinu hi aina kuna office hi punga chachalega puiji cha punga chalega lhongzia hongkile pe ji han na evanga ni khat hi azinu hi pungthumang ji khan ta cha pungthumang ji khana ama hi in langan ju cha azi pa ko lawa na in langan ju at a speed of 40 km per hour aha ne evanga pasal pa hi ama usual timing hongki pat do cha hongki pat do hi le khanu ta ahong hongai le lam kim walai khat a hi kisu tu hana achu apasal pa in akisu tu han na kuna chu apu phei kina in chana pu chuna achu tia hi le ama hin nidanga office chana chia ahong ki le hon na sanga chu 40 minute less ala cha na chilai kuna hi ipi he theiwam apasal pa hin helai kuna helai chan to helai kuna helai chan hi chi talo chuna achu tia hi le helai kuna helai chan to helai kuna chi na hi 40 minutes ala de tina cha na adi chu hilang si chi ya hilang si chi lo ya a chi lo ji 40 minutes safe hi le hilang si ya hi 40 minutes ala de tina cha na achu tia hi to and fro ja chu chi langa hi 20 minutes ala ding ahong langa hi 20 minutes ala de tina cha na okay to hi bata azinu chu hung lo hi han lang hi le akipat do ko na helai chan hi 5 pm agal hung di chana to hi bata 20 minutes a save chu achi langa hi acha tia hi le helai chan agal huna hi pungza na helai gal hung di ham na pungza na helai gal hung di tia hi le 20 minutes a save chana acha tia hi le 440 a hi hilai man ga hung diti na chu na aman le azinu zong hi pungthuma ko na hung pan ta chu ewanga 440 a hi azinu zong hilai mun hung hung diti na chu na hilai ki su 200 diti na chu acha tia le azinu hin pungkai zat lam an zo nam pungthum pungli pungkhat minute somli lam an zo chu na chelai ko na chi pi he theiwa hilai ka distance ki hol do theiwa na distance hol do theiwa na aji chu numei nu hi 40 km/h hung and then time zong in 8 to na ki hol do to chu that means 1 hours 40 minutes acha tia hile hilai ka distance nei thei ta chu hilai ka distance nei theiwa hile and then pasal par hilai ka hi 20 minutes alai ti head wa hile a speed of the man ji hold do theo chuna chia chu hilai distance hi let's say d asitile distance equal to speed chula speed chu 40 km/h into time chula 1 hour 40 minutes hi hale 100 by 60 hours tina chuna chi hi hilai ka distance hi ta chu na chepa hi same distance to pasal pa hin traveling at a speed of s into minutes la 20 minutes la na 20 minutes to hour ag khial dinga ile 60 ajitile distance ki ba ji chu left hand side ki ba ile right hand side ni ki bang ditina na ajitile chi piti ji theiwa 40 into 100 by 60 equals to s into 20 by 60 theu le s achanga kui vale chiten ni cancel thaita na 40 by 100 into jaha 20 to 12 means 200 km/h aha ne na 200 km/h azino ga puiji tina. Question number 21. An officer goes to office from his home, which is 8 km apart. His speed is 4 km/h. After 5 minutes, he realized that he left some important documents at home. He returns home and now he travels some fast speed towards the office and reaches office on time. Find his fast speed. Question akuna GP imuva. Officer pa chu ain wa kona office chu 8 km heti chu and he's traveling at the speed of 4 km/h achi chuna. After 5 minutes, he realized that he left some important documents. Like 5 minutes ahin hi channel hungi taute 5 minutes ga chi ta chu achi zawa hi documents ahi pangji achu nungchi ki chu anungchi ki da hi le minutes som man sa ta chu 5 minutes ti zawa chu in nunghun zawa kona chu tamkhat a speed a increase na a increase a hi le nidanga a time la ma chu galhong thau thau chu chitia hi le in ma ko na a fast speed chu iphamati chuna achitia hi le distance in yo speed in yo achitile usual time chu 8 by 4 2 hours in la ji cha na usual time chu hi wanga hi chinia chu minute nga zawa hi document hi pa chu nungchi ki chuna achitia hi le 10 minutes aman sa ta cha na achitile usual time a thun dinga chu time is at naita that means 2 hours minus 10 minutes chu 2 hours 120 minutes ya achitia hi le a time ala angai cha chu 110 minutes na le achitile a distance chu ki bang ma chula na 8 km a new speed chu distance by time 8 by 110 minutes chu hour a hial dinga ile 60 pa hi achunga ka ji the na chi bola ile 48 by 11 4 by 11 and fast speed chu 4 by 11 option A. A and B start at the same time from P to to Q. After reaching their destinations, they turn to their starting point and they meet first time at 15 km from Q. If the difference of their speed is 60 km per hour, then find the faster speed if P and Q are 60 km apart. Question aku na je P mu ba. P to Q mu chu. Amani hi 60 km apart chu na. A le B hi P aku na ki pan hon chu. After reaching their destination, they turn to their starting point and they first meet at 15 km from P. Around somewhere here. Na 15 km. Ahi kimutu masapian hancho. So tiya hele, if we said A is faster than B, so tiya hele A hi cheating hila hong kinung lebe pedi. So tiya hele hilai muna he B jong hong di. Hilai muna ki setuhan di tina cha. Na question na say dong siya cha. If the difference of their speed is 60 km, so tiya hele question aku na mu chu speed of A minus speed of B to 60 km per hour heti chuna. Aballe question aku na mu chu piha. Ata A hin hilai kuna chia hilai chana lhon dinga a time to hin B hin hilai kuna hilai chana china a time ki bang chuna. Chia chi pt zi theiwa time taken by A equals to a distance is data 60 km chita chuna. Abana chu 15 km chi be na. As tiya 75 distance by speed. A speed chi piha aki hello. Let's take A na. Aballe time taken by B chu hilai ka bo chi chuna hilai ka bo he. As tiya 60 minus 15 chu 45 by a speed chu B na chitini time ke ba ja chu chitini jang ke bang ti ne hello ha. As tiya chalai kuna chu 75 by A is equal to 45 by B ti ne hello ha. Simple na. Chalai kuna chu EP bol theiwa EP hole in ti ham. Find the faster speed is na. As tile A pa hi hold duty na chu. As tile B pa hi A in replace le bhai na. B equals to A minus 60 na. Chalai kuna he 75 by A is equal to 45 by A minus 60 na. Chutile chika ate 5 1 is 5 5 5 are 25 5 9 are 45 3 3 are 9 3 5 are 15. Achutiya ile 5A minus 6 5 are 30 300 equals to 3A. Therefore A equals to twice A na 300. A equals to 150 km per hour. Na option B. In a 100-meter race, A runs at a speed of 5 km per hour. He gives a start of 8 meter to B and still defeat him by 8 seconds. Find the speed of B. Question aku na mu chu 100 meter ahi A hin 5 km per hour ahi ji na. Aban le B hi head start P chu 8 meter. Evanga he still defeat by 8 seconds. Nale. Helai kuna chi P hold theiwa 100 meter chu A hin 5 km per hour achi ahile 100 meter chu time jalla diha. Time of A equals to 100 by 5 km per hour chu meter per second ahila hile 5 by 18 nale 18 pa hi achunga pangthai na dile 24 18 chu 32 4 7 to 2 second ala cha na A hin mana B hin la time taken by B chu hilai ku na hilai chan leine dinga chu B hin 72 plus 8 second ala cha na ajitele b chen izat la data minute chu 80 second la tina cha na a speed hold empty na le find the speed of b hold a distance le 100 minus 8 to 92 na le ajitia ile speed of b to 92 by 80 la ha chi bola hile for 2 or 8 20 for 2 or 8 for 3 or 12 23 by 20 na okay option A. Oh, question number 24. Two men A and B run a 4-kilometer race on the course 0.25 kilometer round. If the speed are in the ratio 5:4, how often does the winner pass the other? Ajitile around course to 0.250 ajitile 250 meter na 250 meter cha ajiti hele 4 kilometer heido hon dinga chu velezat round avel hon ngaya number of rounds na 4 kilometer to 4000 tina na 4000 by 250 equals to 16 rounds nale around hi 250 hi hele 4 kilometer al hi do han dinga chu 16 round hai hon ngai cha na and if their speeds are in the ratio 5:4, how often does the winner pass the other na hichi he team thene divin alin zopa hin ga khana de 1 2 3 4 5 na part ngain ga khana te let's say they started from here na A and B A le B al haya hi le A hi helai mun an pha kida hi B hi helai mun pha de first round hi na aji ji pham ti le ratio han hi na speed ratio ni 5:4 aji de bata chi A hin 1 2 3 4 5 pha hi B hin 1 2 3 4 4 chana pha de cha na first round na hi amani hi KPL 2 hon lo cha first round hi second round hi hung lai ki ran ta cha B jang ta lai ki di al hai hon hai le A hin hilai mun an pha ki da hi B hin hilai mun pha cha na kisi 2 hon nai lo abana hi lai ki ran chu al hai ki ran na hi le A hin hilai an pha ki da hi B hin hilai pha cha na round iza zawa chu hilai hi ani na pha khom dia ase tile 1 2 3 4 5 round na hi A to B hin hilai hi pha khom dis na ase tia hi le first intersection chalai ni dan ta cha ase after 5 rounds na le tile 5 rounds ya hi A hin B hi apl zi tina cha na ase tia le 16 round a chu velza apl man de ha it means 16 by 5 equal to 3 times bo apl man tina cha na yeah to answer C na it's more like a reasoning. Question number 25. A person cover 40% of the distance from A to B at 8 km per hour, 40% of the remaining distance at 9 km per hour, and the rest at 12 km per hour. His average speed for the journey is. Question ako na chu EPT construct thaiva. Let A to B a distance to 100 head taute na kilometer. Ase tia ile 40% of the distance. Let's say 40 km to 8 km per hour and it is na 8 km per hour na but 40% of the remaining distance is 60 na 60 km boba ta chu ila is 40% to 64 are 24 km to 9 km per hour in it is 9 km per hour na ase tiale remaining to 12 km per hour in it is na remaining distance is at data 100 minus 64 to 36 nale 36 km to 12 km per hour achi tia hile find his average speed ati na average speed equal to total distance by total time na ase total distance to 100 na le aban le total time chula time gpt hold diu ha ada chi hilai ka adinga hi distance 40 kilometer aban le speed to 8 kilometer per hour in hi wa hile a time to 40 by 8 na le 8 5 are 40 5 hours plus hilai ka chula le 24 by 9 ne ho na 3 3 are 9 3 8 are 24 that means 8 by 3 hours plus hilai ka chala 36 by 12 to 3 na jatile 100 by 3 bola 15 plus 8 plus 9 achung achi thena chapa he jatile 100 into 3 by 32 na jatile hichi hi iken salwa hi le exam buduta 2 1 is 2 2 6 are 12 na 50 2 are 16 25 25 into 3 to 75 by 8 that is equal to 8 9 3 by 8 answer 9 3 by 8 option 3 na this is average average equal to total distance by total time ki hello na speed equal distance by time mama evanga to average kong ti pala total distance by total time question number 26 Ramesh covered 45 kilometer at a speed of 15 kilometer per hour by bicycle 8 kilometer at a speed of 40 kilometer per hour by car and another 6 kilometer at a speed of 2 kilometer per hour on foot. Find the average speed for the whole journey. Now, EPCM distance is to 45 kilometer to Ramesh in 15 kilometer per hour by bicycle. Now, about 80 kilometers to 40 kilometer per hour achikit abana 6 kilometer to 2 kilometer per hour achikit average speed na average speed equal to total distance by total time na le total distance is at ta cc e plus duty na na e plus y le is at move 131 move na le 131 by total time chila like adinga chu a time chu 45 by 15 to 3 hours na 3 plus chila 80 by 40 to 2 plus 6 by 2 to 3 nale tutile 131 divided by 5 6 7 8 tutile 8 1 is 8 51 8 6 are 48 51 38 3 are 24 16.3 apa itu tak sana tutile option A. Question number 27. A man traveled from A to B at 20 km per hour and come back from B to A at 30 km per hour. Find the average speed of the whole journey. A to B ही let's say distance to D है बताते हैं मिखत ही A to B ही 20 km per hour आची च and then B to A ही 30 km per hour आची च ना जतिले average speed equals to total distance by total time च ना अच्छा तिया हिले हिले total distance is data achi lang hi D ahong lang hi D hele twice D by a time che biham achi lang a time ala chu D by 20 plus ahong lang a time la chu D by 30 na fi bola hile answer mo thai diu chu twice D by 10 hi LCM ko bola hile 30 into 20 na tile d kumana kala do hile 30 plus 20 na tile d to d cancel thai na tia hile twice 30 into 20 by 30 plus 20 ichi hi formula khat su do cho ipiham ji cho twice into 30 hi piham 30 hi let's say hilang pa hi x hin hilang pa hi y he taute speed na adu tia hi le 32 y into 22 x by y plus x na le this can be written as 2xy by x plus y thi nehla that means average speed formula achi chetabang question ma hi le chi hoi ji ngai lo chi formula hi direct ana za the achi tel helai ko nai pi mu wa 2 into 30 into 22 50 na 5 6 are 30 that means 2 2 are 4 6 4 are 24 average speed to 24 answer b chepa hi mel chi lo chun na mel chi zo wa hi le exam phat le na gan duty na achi ti lo wa hi zon he ta na bol theu cha to hi ibola shortcut formula so kangai kho be lhami tia hi le first pena poimo chu concept pa hi na concept pa clear a hi le hitia long form a khut jong lo chun nan khut khut pha do le nang ma o na shortcut formula san hong ping do de chu hi chi pa chu ahong pin do thei phat le me chun num nan sa diu na hi chi pa ding hi tu na chu to hi concept base a kain khut hi na aban le time speed and distance a hi question tam to ahong ji pon na hi ji azu to ka khut cheng cheng ho hi phate in heguleu chun na vel ni tabang khut vin lang time speed and distance hi question hoita sima che zo phale analyze bola solve tho di hi na question an twist kha wa hi le phat ala ta cha na phat ala a hi le hi chu na bola minute nga minute som na la sa nga chu question nang zo na bol zo chu nga ding hong tung zo mai the na avp hi le hi choi heaven hi le chun I hope question ahong ki dang zo sin na khut thei deu ka kine me